前推。
你看看能不能推上，看看行不行？
你直腰。不是，你就正常上这样。啊，能看着啊。都推了。
推吧，你看他那会儿能不能推上？Hello everyone, this is Joyce from Tagmaster.
没上去。没有，我看ENISO推上去。
行，我那个给你，没问题。
推上这两边呢，这个。
可以过，现在尝试一下，试试。
OK。
没成功。
不行啊，推不上去啊。
就隔的时间太长了。
手机推上了。
手机推上了。
你的手机推上了是吧？
你那个推上了，
我那个不行，我那一会儿就是你看啊，现在推上的，一会儿就不一样了。
你有写直播呢吗？你有写直播呢吗？
Hello everyone, this is Joyce from Tagmaster. Tagmaster is a safety shoes and PVC ring boots manufacturer. This is our brand, Tagmaster brand. We have been qualified ISO 9001 quality management system, and some of our products of the safety shoes and PVC ring boots have been qualified CE and ASTM certificate. Meanwhile, we are also a professional brand for the safety products, especially in the field of the safety gloves, helmets, walking garments, safety vest, air muff, air plug, safety harness, and also the raincoat and rain suit. 黑龙江 Safer, as a brand coating company, is a famous and experienced supplier for the PPE products for over 15 years. We also have our own subsidiary factories. 瑞安红伞 Shoes Corporation Limited is a professional safety shoes factory, which is focused on the PU injection safety shoes and cemented safety shoes. Harbin Online Safety Products Manufacturer is a professional in producing high-quality PVC rain boots. All of our products are extensively applied to general industrial work, construction, oil field, mining, agriculture, material handling, welding, and driving. After many years of effort, we made great progress and become one of the experienced manufacturers and suppliers of the safety products in markets all over the world. We have exported to over 100 countries and regions all over the world. Our customers are satisfied with our products. Thank you for focus on our Tagmaster brand. For today's live show, I will introduce you some of our hot selling designs of the safety shoes. Today, my introduction for the item number is TM004 and TM006. For these two designs of the safety shoes, this one is a high cut, and this one is a low cut. And the shoes is for the construction of PU injection, cause the shoes upper is injected with the sole, and the sole material is PU. And for the sole, we have different colors of the midsole and outsole. The outsole color and midsole color can be chosen as your reference. We can change different colors, and the density for the midsole and outsole is different to make it a dual density PU injection sole. The midsole density is soft to make the shoes very comfortable, and the outsole density is hard to make it for good wearing. And the upper materials for the shoes is embossed leather. And also with a different part here is we also call it Oxford part. And the shoes for this part, for the tongue part and the collar part, we use the PU materials. And the eyelet part here, we use high quality eyelet to make it very fasten. And the tongue is have a good functions for protection sand. It's sand protection tongue. When you're wearing it, there will be protection for the sand going into the foot, going into the shoes. And for the lining of the shoes, here we use the mesh fabric lining. It's a good quality of mesh fabric lining. And the shoes, we can have different models of the sole. Here is one model like this. And for the low cut, we choose different models and different colors for the sole. And for this design of the sole, we have a better protection for the web part here. You can see this part is bigger than this part, than this sole part here. And with the shoes have the safety functions, we insert the steel toe cap into the shoes clamp. For this part, we have the steel toe, and it has the fulfill the C standard with the impact resistant for 200 joules. So when you have the hard object down to the top part place, it can provide your toes without damage. And for the sole part, we also insert a steel plate inside the shoes, and it have the puncture resistant. Also fulfill the C standard with 1100 newtons. And the shoes, we can also have different standards can be produced. We have the SB standard. It means the shoes with only steel toe cap here. And also have the SBP standard. It means the shoes have the steel toe cap and also the steel plate here. And also also S1 standard. It means the shoes not only have the steel toe cap but also have the function of anti-static. So when the shoes have an anti-static, it can be used in different working conditions. We also called it non-metallic working conditions, and it can be used for some electrical factories or some airports for the shoe. And if the shoes have the S1P standard, the shoes may have the functions of steel toe cap, steel plate, and anti-static. And for the higher upgrade for the shoes standard is S3 standard. S3 standard means the shoes have the steel toe cap, steel midsole, and also with the anti-static and waterproof. It means the whole shoe is waterproof. So we can produce different functions of the shoes and different standard of the shoes. And also we can make the shoes as our customers' requirements. We do the OEM and ODM services. And this design is TM004. It's quite nice and welcomed by our customers. We export a lot for this design of the shoes. It's quite nice, and we have different standard for these shoes, from the SB standard to S3 standard. And if you order these shoes, our minimum order quantity is 1,000 pairs of these shoes. And if you order our minimum quantity, we will provide you the OEM design, and we can produce not only the Taskmaster brand but also your own brand. The shoe packing, including the different parts like the tongue label here and the side label here, and also the color ramp strap and hand tag, and also the shoe box and the instructions. If you need your own brand of the safety shoes, we have our own design team, and we can make your brand design as your information. So if you're interested in our shoes, please contact us, and you can also have choose different designs of the shoes on our website, safetyshoesfactory.com. And this is a high cut, this is a low cut for the safety shoes here. High cut is for the fall seasons, and the low cut is better for the summer seasons. And also we can add fur lining for the shoes. It also can be used in the winter seasons. And next, I will introduce you another model. For this design, this is TM006. On my left hand is low cut model, And on my right hand is the high cut model. This is also a very house styling design for this year. The shoe's upper also made by the embossed leather, and also the leather can be chosen as a reference. It can be embossed or also be smooth leather. And for this one, we also have the different Oxford part here to make the shoes very fashionable. And you can see the shoes also with a PU injection sole. And the midsole and the outsole density is different because it's dual density safety shoes. And for this part, we have a small window like this. Here is our Techmaster brand, the small window. So it looks very nice. If you have your own brand, we can also make the window with your brand name. And for these shoes, we have a big part leather for the one part and also for the back part, the whole back part. So the quality for these shoes is quite nice. Yes, we only have the whole one part leather and the whole back part leather. And for these shoes, we also add the reflective strap on the back. The reflective strap can be reflective when you're working in the dark, working in an environmental, and also during the night. It will keep you safe when you're wearing it. And for the upgrade lining, we use this big mesh fabric lining to have the more function of the comfortable and breathable. It's quite breathable for the big mesh fabric lining. We also call this sandwich mesh fabric lining. And also the tongue part is also the sand protection tongue part for this one here. It can protect the sand going into the shoes when you work. And the eyelet is the same eyelet for the high quality ones. And the shoes for low cut and different and high cut like this. The low cut here this part have the 3 squares, and also it have the small windows here to make it very fashionable. And also when we pack the shoes, we add the tongue inside washing label here. This is the tongue outside label. This is the side label. And for the packing for the shoes, usually we packed 1 pairs per inner box. and also we call it color box. The color box can be Tagmaster brand design and also with the OEM customized design, and 10 pairs of per carton, and usually 120 feet containers contains about 3,300 pairs of these shoes, and one 40 feet high tube contains about 8,000 pairs of the shoes. And the shoes also can be produced with different standard from the SB standard to S3 standard. We can produce the different SB only with steel toe, and SBP steel toe steel plate, S1P steel toe steel plate and anti-static, and S3 S steel toe steel plate, anti-static and waterproofed. So if you're interested in our Tagmaster brand of the safety shoes, please contact us. We will provide you the most favorable shoes requirements. And remember this design? This model number is PM006. This is a low cut model, and this is a high cut model. And we not only produce the safety shoes with the steel toe cap and steel plate, we also have the upgrade choices for our customers. If you need the steel toe with non-metallic, we can upgrade the steel toe cap to the plastic toe cap, or for the plastic toe cap here. And also the steel plate we can upgrade with Kevlar ENISO. It's also called we use these materials as a bullet, so it has a very good the same functions as the steel plate. Also the plastic toe and the Kevlar ENISO can be meet the C standard. It have the same functions with 200 joules anti-impact and 1,100 newtons anti-puncture. And usually we put the plastic toe and Kevlar ENISO with some more fashionable and more lighter shoes, and some different upper materials of the safety shoes. So you can see we also we do not only have the leather upper materials of the safety shoes, but also with different upper materials. And like this one is 3D netted fabric upper, and also it's PU injection soles, but with different materials of the upper. And this kind of upper is more breathable, and you can wear it very comfortable and breathable during the summertime. And for this model, if you don't like the shoe with shoelace model, you can also choose the shoes with a zipper here, so it's more comfortable and easier for wearing and take off the shoes, put on and put off the shoes. This is a zipper model. And also for this sole model, we have different injected materials for the outsole. It can be PU, PU, and PU, TPU, and PU rubber. Such as the PU rubber sole have a better function for the oil resistant for the outsole. So we have different materials for the sole and different materials for the upper. And for this upper, it's smooth slider upper, and also is the crazy horse slider upper. It's not embossed slider, but a crazy horse slider, and the surface is smooth. So we have different choice for different models of the shoes and different functions. And for this one, these shoes, we also have the same constructions for this sole. It's also called the PU injection sole. The colors is different and matched with the upper color. You can see the middle sole color is blue and outsole color is black, and it's matched with the upper color. It's from the black to blue, and the inside lining color and the tongue color we also matched with blue mesh fabric. And for these shoes, it's our lightest shoes in our factory. The whole shoes is very light and is very comfortable. For the first look, you look at these shoes, and maybe you think it's just like a sports shoes. It's not like safety shoes, but actually it's safety shoes with a composite toe cap or the plastic toe cap here. So it have the same